I didn't expect to experience what I did on that day. It was a really life-changing moment. My name's Nisha Katona, I'm the CEO of Mowgli Street Food Restaurants. Thought I wanted to be a doctor, wasn't bright enough, and in fact in my holidays I then started working in a solicitor's office. And I remember one day I was sent to court to deliver a brief to a barrister and walked into chambers, and there was this epiphany, and I cannot describe how powerful that was. That knowledge that I am studying in this way and sacrificing all the fun in life for something, and it's worth it. And I have to say that was one of the most important moments in my life. That bit of work experience where I was sent to see a barrister, I didn't expect to be bulldozed by love for a career, but I was, and it can happen to anyone at any juncture. And for the first time, I kind of realised that, I wanted to do law. I had a sense of purpose that would take me straight from school, through uni, through bar school, into my 50s, and that's what it did. The three words that work experience taught me, or the three gifts, honestly, that they gave me, was some sense of hope, was a sense of ambition, and a sense of real motivation, one that kept me going day by day, one that made me want to study a certain thing and hope that you can have a working life that doesn't even feel like work. There's no such thing as a failed work experience. There's no such thing as failure. If you're doing your best, the right doors will open and the wrong doors will close. And even though you might not feel it in the moment, that's what is happening on the bigger journey, and therefore there is always hope.